Floyd's Mayhem Garage here. Well, working on the Dodge C500 here because got the tractor out, got the oxyacetylene torches out. I sold the tank off of this, so this tank, which I don't really have much of use for, is going bye-bye. That's good. I had actually a couple people that were interested in it. So one guy, I guess he's got a like boom truck and trailer, so that's gonna be the easiest. So I told him, yep, you're the winner. So didn't really have to think about that one much. He was interested in it, wanted it, so yeah, gonna get this pulled out with the tractor, get it out in the open where I can work on it, and then gonna cut these off because it has, you know, they're welded on and bolted on, and I really don't entirely know what's happening here, so I'll probably end up just kind of cutting everything. And I gotta see what we're doing on the back here, and I gotta see what they want, because this thing's got this bar that's welded, that's part of it. We can cut it apart and we can get rid of the rear cross member, and that is part of the water tank here with the valve and whatnot. So I gotta see what they want to do, but I'll at least get the tabs on the frame cut off, you know, get this pulled out and cut off, and we'll go from there. Cool. Well, that boom truck of theirs made life easy. No more water tank. And this thing looks pretty cool now. This has a very, you know, it's just such a big truck anyways. Very industrial, semi-truck kind of look. But got into the back of the cab a little bit when we took that off, but not a big deal, as you know, this cab's in perfect shape anyways. That cab corner's caved in, the roof up here's got a dent in it, so that just adds more character to it now. And of course, you know, kind of the beautiful patina on the front of this thing. Yeah, take a look at this, huh? How cool. Freaking wicked. But yeah, pretty exciting. Now that's gone. I think I can at least get this cab taken apart. Gotta get it off at some point here. Get the front end taken off, get the cab off, motor and transmission out, because then this whole frame needs to go away, and I find a place to put all this. And after I get all that off as well, get these cross members that bolt on off, since these are what the cab mount to. Save those because I don't know if I'll end up using them or not, but better to have them and you know, maybe not use them instead of send them off with the frame and, you know, oh, could have used them type of situation. But yeah, this thing's just so cool. So amongst all my other projects, I'll get to this one of these days, but keep collecting parts since I don't have everything yet. Jim still has the other truck. It's still complete with the frame that he's got for me, so I gotta wait on getting that anyways, and then still kind of figure out which engine I'm running, and depending on how that goes, I got a line on an engine from a guy. If I can get that through and going, that's gonna be awesome. But we're still kind of waiting on this one, get all the parts together, and once I got kind of all the parts, I can get this, you know, get this project rolling. But that's after my race car now, my race car charger project thing. So, but yeah, we'll get this pushed back behind the fence here. Good old skid steer. And that'll finish up this. Simple, easy, step by step. Get a little here and a little there done. So, yep, I suppose that'll finish up this video. Take it easy, y'all.